As soon as you come in, you're greeted into the living room. To the right of the living room, they were using it as a family room. And in the back, you have your first floor bathroom. It has a full stand-up shower. Nice stand-up shower. Then right through the family room to the back is your first floor primary bedroom. They were using it as a primary bedroom. It does not have a closet, but it's a nice, big, ample room. Very nice sized room. And we're the dining room area. And in the dining room area, you have a door that leads to the backyard where the pergola is. And then you have your kitchen. All appliances come, and it does have a gas stove. And then behind the kitchen is the laundry area. It's a very large and nice sized laundry area. And there's lots of doors to come in and out of the house, which is really nice. Here is the door to go to the backyard. And then as we're heading towards the front of the house where the living room is, upstairs you have your 2 bedrooms upstairs. And I really love, as you come up the stairs, you're greeted with a nice loft area. And here is the first room. And here is the second room. There's only one room that has a closet, and this is the room that has a closet. Other rooms do not have a closet.
And all appliances stay with this new house. But what I love most about this new house is the pergola right outside. Let's go outside and check it out.
It also has a raised garden in the back, and on the side it has a compost bin. So I love this backyard. It's so neat. It's fenced in on one side. It has ample space. It comes with a shed. But first, let's see the 2-car garage. The 2-car garage also has a workbench. It's nice and clean. The floors are clean. It has ample outlets throughout, so you can use it as a working garage as well. It is temperature controlled. That is a working wood stove, and all of the wood on the side will stay with the house. Let's go to the side and look at the shed. It is a newer shed, and the basement, you go in through the back, is the cellar basement. It has a 2022 gas furnace and a 2019 hot water tank. So as you can see the shed right here. So you go in, You can even smell the brand new wood. And let's go into the basement. Like I said, this basement is a cellar basement. All right, here is the AC. That AC is in great working order. And let's go to the basement now. They redid the walls in the basement, which is really nice. They sealed it up really, really good. And look at all that insulation. And if you can see, this is the brand new 2019 hot water tank and the gas stove. This is Janice Darmody with Emer's Champions. Call me at 419-528-8190. Bye!